We remember the historical days of 15 August 1947 when India became an independent nation. India freedom was achieved after years of struggles. Thousands of people participated in the momentum, protest and campaign for the independence. Many people sacrificed his career, comfort and even a life so the future generation could live in a freely country. As a students, we should honor the sacrifice of our freedom fighters by becoming a responsible citizenship. Today we are seeing our national flag was flying freely in our sky. Some of the freedom fighters were become famous. Many another will remain unnamed. The freedom we enjoy today was giving opportunities to learn, express ourselves, choose on our nations, to contribute to our country. As a students, we should value the education, respect our constitution, help another and work sincerely for our constitution. Let us promise to make proud my country in every single day. Thank you for this opportunities. Once again, a very happy Independence Day to everyone.